Guys, we're back and we're gonna, this 2008-9 Outback Legacy we're working on. The tops are the same. Amber on the 05 to 06, 07, 08, 09. So if you want to do an upgrade on the taillights, give us a call. We'll sell you these, put those and give it to your buddy or something. Or they're damaged, you need to replace them anyways. Buy the newer stuff, it looks a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and take this left side taillight out. I need a couple tools. You got Phillips of mine I found in one of the Subarus in the yard. This little guy right here, if we just turn one turn, yep. Clip comes out. You got one more up here. Now the trick to this piece, because it won't want to come out all by itself, is if you catch the bottom right here, put your finger on. Don't press on this, like, because you'll break the tail light. But if you can kind of just, you know, work your way up with it with your fingers, just pop it up this way. Voila. So after removing that tail light cover, we got two 10s right here. I'll take this guy out, take that guy out. Tail light's going to be pretty loose. It's got two guys in here holding it. If you're wondering what's holding this tail light, is these guys right here that slid into the quarter panel. So don't pop it this way, you will break it, and then you'll be pissed off at yourself. You'll be calling us for another tail light. Just pull this way slowly and gently. You see I just slid this way, and very simple. The last time we did this on the right rear side, we pulled the harness all the way in here. Doing the other side, the guy sits right here. We're gonna leave the harness on the car, so you can just go ahead and remove these guys, and there's your tail light. Now, so you're changing your tail light, get a new tail light, leave the original harness in there and just plug these guys back up to where they belong, and that's it. Just make sure that these two guys slide into these two clips. Let me show you guys. See how smooth? It's a clip, you can feel it. And pulling it back out. Make sure you pull it out, you'll scrape the bumper or something, then you'll be pissed off if you scratch your paint job. So that's how you take the tail lights out.